going, Gary?
We're the best wave pool in the world. I'm getting a little nervous.
Let's hope your performance is better than at Sanunga. Thank you, buddy. Holy boards. Obrigado. Oh, Laguna Beach. That's my house.
É rápida, brother. Barrels, airs, and turns.
Yeah, lots of those.
Guys.
We're on.
Skim day.
Maybe kickflips.
I don't know if you want to risk it that much.
Oh my gosh. I don't know how we lucked into this one, but we just hung out with Italo last night and we've watched a bunch of his videos here. He said that this is his favorite wave pool in the world, so I'm pretty excited to try it. It's the same technology as the Waco wave in Texas, but it's on a whole different scale. This pool is about 2 to 3 times larger, and I think the amount of pumps that they have making the wave is probably like twice as many. So PerfectSwell, they are creating the best wave in the world at the moment. I gotta give it up to them. What do you want to land by the end of the day, Finky?
I'm just gonna get some sick waves.
Just cruise. Do the biggest skim turns of your life.
Yeah, do some tricks, some shove-its probably.
With the leash on? Dude, that leash is
I'm just
nuts.
using the leash in the beginning to make sure I don't lose my board and like have to paddle. Here comes the first set for Finky. We're going straight into the air section. No, it's tricks.
Whoa, oh, so it's just a rippable wave?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
I asked for that and then air, then bail.
You feel that? You feel it rumbling? Look,
Jet.
it's bubbling.
It's the jet.
Oh boy. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Go, go! Go! Thank you. Board swap. I think the next one's mine, dude. What?
Get out here. Why did you guys run together in that first one?
Because I thought he was gonna blow it. It was an insurance program, you know?
Go, 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 pedal, 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 pedal.
I kind of think the twin fin's better for the barrel.
Less drag?
Yeah. More slide.
Yeah.
Gary!
When you pop up, you're like, oh my god, like this thing's
gonna slab.
It's your dream wave.
Yeah.
Bye, bye, bye.
I don't know. You don't have to tell me. That thing's a joke. Gary, here goes the Gary. Oh. Yo, high five me! And this is my first time here surfing the Boa Vista wave.
Okay. Talk a little about your modality.
My what?
Your modality, skimboard.
Oh, okay, yeah. So, my background is in skimboarding. So it's a finless board. It's a little bit different than a surfboard. It's a lot smaller and thinner, and all you're relying on is your rail for control. And you get a lot of speed on these types of boards because you don't have any drag of fins. So you can come into sections with a lot of speed, but it can also be a little harder to control. But for this wave, this is my board preference. I really love the skimboard for riding these types of waves.
Okay. And which were your impressions of the pool, about the pool?
Yeah. So I've surfed 3 different wave pools and different technologies now. This is the most advanced technology that I've surfed. This last wave that we were surfing had 2 air sections. So you could land one air and then go into the next one. The size of the pool is incredible, so you can get a really long ride and do multiple turns and maneuvers on one wave. It's like no other pool I've ever surfed.
Okay, nice. Talk a little about your tricks on the pool.
Yeah. So what's also cool about having a finless board or a skimboard is you can do kind of more skate style tricks. So shove-its, if you're really crazy, kick flips, and then also you can weave in surfing turns and surfing maneuvers as well. But yeah, the type of tricks that I was doing today was more of trying to emulate surfing, but with a finless board. So doing alley-oop 360s or these types of tricks. Shove-its. Yeah. This guy's the shove-it king.
Yeah.
Lucas is definitely more of the shove-it guy, but I enjoy shove-its here and there too.
Nice. And what are your expectations about the swimming pool?
Man, I want to live here one day, but no. My expectations, I think you're going to see some incredible surfing, incredible athleticism out of this pool, and it's going to be a great training ground for all skill levels. Great for learning, great for professionals, anywhere from an Olympic gold medalist to someone who's just learning how to surf. It's going to be the perfect way for that.
Nice. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you. That was an incredible time here.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.